Here's what SOS means on your iPhone and how you can fix it. At the top right of your screen, you'll see SOS or SOS only. If I swipe down from the top right corner, it still shows SOS only. This appears when your iPhone isn't connected to a cellular network, whether it's AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, or another carrier. Essentially, it means you have no signal. To fix this, head to your settings. Under the Bluetooth option, tap on Cellular. In my case, the SOS message appeared because I turned off my cellular line, which is linked to my ESIM. If you're using an ESIM, make sure it's enabled. If you've just gotten your iPhone and haven't set it up with your carrier yet, you can tap Add ESIM to activate it. Most newer iPhones allow you to set up an ESIM instead of using a physical SIM card. From there, you can choose to transfer from a nearby phone or use a QR code. If your carrier provided a QR code, you can scan it here. Alternatively, you can tap Enter Details manually to input the information your carrier gave you, such as the activation code and address, to connect your iPhone to the network. Once your eSIM is set up, you'll see your phone line appear with its number, and your iPhone will connect to your carrier's network. At this point, you should be able to make and receive calls. After completing these steps, swipe down from the top right corner to check your signal. For example, I now see AT&T on my phone. However, if you still see SOS or SOS only after setting up your line, you may be in an area without cellular coverage, like a remote desert or mountainous region with no nearby cell towers. In such cases, SOS only means your iPhone may use another network or satellite connection to make emergency calls. I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Thanks.